Asus has officially launched their latest Zenfone 7 series, and this time it comes in two models, the Zenfone 7 and the Zenfone 7 Pro. Samsung, on the other hand, has announced their Galaxy Tab S7 series in Malaysia. Find out more on today's ICYMI. Just like AirAsia, Firefly has announced their Firefly Passport, which is an unlimited pass for you to travel around domestically. You can choose between two options, the 399 ringgit deal for 3 months and the 699 ringgit deal for 6 months. The deal is similar to AirAsia's Unlimited Pass Cuti Malaysia deal, also for 399 ringgit. While the Firefly Passport is a more expensive deal considering you only get 3 months for 399 ringgit, AirAsia's pass is no longer available. Whereas the Passport is available for you to purchase from the 24th of August 2020 to the 30th of August 2020. Firefly operates flights to several destinations within Malaysia, including Subang, Penang, Langkawi, Alor, Kota Baru, Kota Terengganu, Kuantan, and Johor Bahru. However, due to the current pandemic situation, international travels are not permitted. Asus has officially announced its latest Zenfone 7 flagship series, and this time it comes in two models, the Zenfone 7 and the Zenfone 7 Pro. It still retains the same unique flip camera mechanism, and it runs on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 series processor. In Taiwan, the Zenfone 7 has a starting price of 21,990 Taiwan dollars, which is around 3,121 ringgit, while the Zenfone 7 Pro is priced at 27,990 Taiwan dollars, which is around 3,972 ringgit. Both models features a 6.67-inch 90Hz AMOLED display, and it comes with a triple camera setup. It also gets a huge 5000 mAh battery that supports 30-watt charging. Unfortunately, there is no headphone jack, but it still supports microSD card expansion. Overall, it is significantly more expensive than the Zenfone 6. When the previous flagship was launched last year, it had a starting price of around 2,456 ringgit. At the moment, it isn't clear if the Zenfone 7 series will come to our shores. Asus Malaysia hasn't been introducing new Zenfone models for our local market, and the Zenfone 6 was never released in Malaysia. Samsung Malaysia has announced the arrival of its Galaxy Tab S7 and the S7 Plus. These are their latest Snapdragon 865 Plus powered tablets that will go head-on with the iPad Pro. The Galaxy Tab S7 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is priced at 3,299 ringgit, while the highest spec model Galaxy Tab S7 Plus with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is going for 4,599 ringgit. The Galaxy Tab S7 series will be available from the 28th August onwards. According to the spec sheet, both tablets are Wi-Fi only, and that means it doesn't support mobile connectivity such as 4G or 5G. And as a launch promo, you can get free gifts worth up to 1,760 ringgit. The first 1,000 buyers can get a free Samsung keyboard cover, an S Pen, Microsoft Office 365 single user license, 128GB microSD card, and a one-day pass to the colony worth 60 ringgit. Also included is a 6-month subscription for Clip Studio Paint and 4 months free YouTube Premium. For the 1001 purchase onwards, you get the same freebies except for the Microsoft Office 365 subscription. The 128GB microSD card and Microsoft Office 365 license must be redeemed through the Samsung Redemption Portal before the 15th of November 2020. LEGO Malaysia has announced something really interesting on their Facebook page. The toy maker appears to be teaming up with Ikea of Sweden for a brand new product line. Could this be an IKEA-themed toy set or a LEGO-themed furniture? Whatever the outcome might be, self-assembly would be required. Interestingly, both Danish and Swedish brands have announced their collaboration back in 2018. According to IKEA hackers, the upcoming product will be called Lego Bygag, if I pronounce it correctly. 3 of them are essentially IKEA storage boxes that feature Lego building plates surfaced on the lid. This will allow you to attach Lego bricks on top. It will be available in small, medium and large sizes with price starting from 9.99 euros and it goes all the way up to 14.99 euros. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you can stay updated to our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!